Yep. I guess we are live. Yeah. So please, anyone maybe put the YouTube link here and in the Telegram channels or where you come from, and our Discord put the YouTube link as well. Yeah, in case so everyone can come in, and anyone who wants to come on the mic or whatever, then shout. Yeah. And I will put. Most of you are on connected mic up anyway. Yeah. So just shout me and I'll put you on mic. Yeah. And today, I mean, I don't know. I'm fine. Don't get me wrong. Brain is still somewhere. But what you'd say is today, um, maybe take my analysis, or I don't even like to say that word analysis because it reminds me of analysts, and so today, just take my perspectives or views with a bit of salt, a little bit, yeah. But it should be. I mean, should be fine. Should be fine. Everything should be fine. Okay, so we are on S&P, and tell me please where that you see all the levels, huh? All the levels, and shout any questions or anything you have. So Monday usually I call in S&P. This is a phenomena for S&P only mainly, yeah. So obviously to translate into the Dow, um, I call it winner, WNER. This is basically the world not ended at the weekend rally, yeah? So you expect some kind of a pop on Monday, and then later on can fizzle out or whatever. We are already at this number here, 4448. This is a number above. So you can think of, the cycle numbers that are put down 4377 plus and minus 3, yeah? So 4380 should arrest it, or 4374 if it does a pop, yeah? But really, this zone here, you are looking to sell, okay? You're looking for a bias to sell. You're looking for a rally to sell, okay? I mean, simple question. Would you buy it here? Would you buy it here? I mean, think about this. What was the all-time high? Yeah? So we can say upside unsustainable, yeah? Obviously, it can do anything and be crazy or whatever, but I would expect if it doesn't move up, we look for a move down, okay? The downside is not yet finished, yeah? And we can't say the top is in either, yeah? Maybe we can later on put in a top, or maybe we have put a top has not happened, but maybe it has put in the top, yeah, for a while kind of thing, yeah? So when a top happens, we can look for sell. When it puts the top, then the market is changed into bearish, yeah? And in the past, how do you know the market is turned from a bull to a bear? I don't like to say bull and bear, but upward to a downward move. Usually, in the past, what they used to say is if it is a 25% correction, then you are either in a correction up or down. Then you are either in a bull or a bear market. Okay, that is what the industry standard is. Yeah, and the crooks, that is what they use as this marker of 25. Yeah, and obviously the Templars should know Cog and half. Okay, Cog and half. Okay, Ahmad gone. Okay, yes.
Yes, sir.
I am already short in Discord at 4445. Yeah, and I'm happy to hold it. Yeah, um, but I don't know why not. Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not? Why not at all? Why not at all? Why not at all? Okay. That's on futures. So, okay, we do it on here. Okay, selling two at 4448.93. Okay, so we have sold S&P, and let's put it in our banner. So there is no ES Axie SP 500 futures full at my god, my eyes 44 4448.93. So you know minimum plus three target, and then you can look to see plus six plus 10. Okay, I would say if you are happy with the minimum at plus six, take it because plus three because it's $150 on a one contract. Yeah. Okay, and we can show it as well. So there you are. It's clear. Okay. I tell everyone to use the size small. After that, if you try your heroics, then you laugh or cry a lot, mind you. Yeah. So I cannot control the size that you trade at. Yeah. Assalamu alaikum, Yasmin Behan. Inshallah, Behan, later maybe I will call you now or you call me Behan now. I'm missing you as well, Behan. Okay, Bismillah, Reza, everybody's here. Everyone okay? No questions, nothing? Okay. So S&P, everybody's fine, yeah? Dow, similar story again. Exactly what I said in S&P applies to the Dow because 1 point move in S&P, one full point move in S&P equals 8 or 10 point move in the Dow. Yeah, and obviously the Templars, you know the number 35056, and you also know the number of three seven was it 7 12 12 12 12. Yeah, 343 and whatever. Yeah, so you should know all that. Yeah, mind you, is everyone a Templar here, by the way? Yeah, Eric, Abjan, Sumaya is my darling Templar. Naveen, Naveen is not okay. Tamal is fine. Ruben is fine.
Mm-hmm.
Reza is fine. Yasmin Bengal, okay. Yasmin Bengal, okay. So same again story, yeah. Nasdaq as well is kind of making like a ABCD pattern up, yeah. It's a ABCD up, okay. It's a ABCD up. It's a ABCD up, and we should be same story. We should be looking at, see, look, one, two, triple top zone area. So NASCRAP is a sell as well. NASCRAP is a sell as well. Okay. And what we will do is, because I'm crazy, look, 15136.252 sold. Okay. So we've sold NASDAQ as well. Futures are sold, yeah. NASDAQ futures actually sold at, what was the price now? My God, my eyes are bad. 15136.25, and look minimum plus 50, 80, 100 points. Okay. Okay. So here you can see that as well. That's our second trade. We've done two trades so far. And we know, not saying I really am going to chase a trade, but uh, when we're doing the live stream or whatever, we keep in mind the Trinity three. Yeah, if we get three, it's very good. Two trades is running is fine. You can relax. Okay. Questions? Okay. Okay, Reza is enjoying as well. Okay. Any questions? Just shout away. Okay. And can you see like a letter V shape as well on here? So on H4, 30 minute. Okay. And you see you have an uptrend kind of thing, then it's circling down. Remember we said trend wise, you have like an uptrend. and then you look for a transition phase. Yeah, transition phase. So you can think of it like that. Maybe it can poke up a little bit more and then down. Okay. But the main is we are in Globex situation. We need to see the real time hours when the market opens at 09:30 a.m. ET. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Um, what is Mr. Nifty doing? V shape as well. Look for rally to sell. Okay. DAX. DAX has had, you can see like S&P and them are trying to go up. DAX is doing its own thing. Um, it lost quite a bit, 70, 80, 90, 100 points, and now it's just holding in this area. So we wait to see, again, if it gives us a break here, and then it can pop, drop, pop, drop, pop, drop. Yeah, okay. So DAX is sell. I'm already on a sell in DAX in Discord has been posted. Yeah, that was posted on Friday, by the way. Yeah. FTSE, my boarding partners doing same as the DAX. Same thing again. Same thing again. Okay, policeman area, can you see? The policeman is here. Policeman area. So if it comes this one again and we got this confirmation how we lost it and that, and then you can look to sell, yeah? But here, nothing to do. Nothing to do. Nothing to do, okay? You're guessing. It's a guessing game. What are the Frenchies doing? Nothing much. Oil. Okay. Oil done nice lows at 61 like um, me, Nishant Bhai, even Latif, Tijan came in and done the session. We were all coming to the same numbers, yeah. So now we need to watch this area here. Let's see how it pops, and then we see does it drop, yeah. But have to be here. Nothing to do at the moment. I would say wait a bit, yeah. Wait a bit. Wait a bit. Okay. Brent will be similar situation. Same thing again. Same thing again. This area you need to only if it gets above here that you need to see to do something. At the moment is we basically missed the boat. Yeah, we missed the boat. We missed the boat. Yeah, we missed the boat. Don't need to chase it. Okay. Now, question to you guys all: what is gold doing at the moment? I mean, what has it been doing? I know I haven't been about. I was guessing the numbers when I was in hospital and things like that. So, what do you think gold is doing at the moment, or has been doing? Yeah, lately. Question, guys. You better answer fast. No, nobody answer. Nobody talk. Is salam sunilba salam salam salam. So remember, we said look at the universe above and below. Can you see the universe above? What is gold doing? Look, all it has been doing is been going in a sideways range. Okay, it's in a sideways range, and we've been coming up. Like technical analysis book says, it came from down. It has to go up. Well, it can do that, but we are going to look at a nice area to short. Okay, we're going to look at a nice area to short. But at the moment, you can just basically say 1777 and say like 1800 goes around 1800, sell it. We are in the middle here. What is the COG of that? 23 plus 12 is what? 1785, yeah? Where are we in gold now? Where are we in gold now? 80, 86, 87 area? Let us see. Yeah, exactly. Look. Yeah. So look for rally to sell in gold at the moment, okay? But keep in mind that we're going sideways at the moment. We're walking like an Egyptian. We're walking like an Egyptian, yeah. So similar story will be unfolding, I suppose, in silver. And what did we have? Full moon in Aquarius. Who is the ruler for silver? The moon. Okay. So we're doing some moon shining, yeah. So okay, C2 area need to watch and fall, yeah. Okay, but these are all lining up very soon. They will be lining up. Something I can't tell you what, but something will happen. Maybe a event or similar to what we had about 10 to 15 days ago, and we went to the 1668 and 1662 by some brokers and 1666 by others and all sorts of numbers. A similar kind of situation will happen again because that one was a manipulation of sorts of, I think, 4 or 5 billion trade going through, yeah. So it was orchestrated when everyone was sleeping, and you seen like how fast it recovered that. Next morning or so, we had already recovered 85% of that fall, yeah. So now that means it came up too fast. It will try and repeat the similar thing because the big boys did not load up enough. There is still unfinished business, yeah. So basically what I'm saying is the fire of London is not dead. It is not burning yet. We want it to come soon, yeah. So we are going to look at the numbers to sell in gold and obviously silver, and that will line up for our what you call BTFT, yeah. Everyone is here. Sunil Bhai is on as well. Okay. Okay. Currencies AUD USD same. Look at the spike up. Look at C2 area draw. And obviously, I'm not saying this, but you should know. You must put the lines in between. Okay. You must put the lines in between. Yeah. You must put the lines in between, either mental or physical. I suggest to you for now put physical lines. Okay. Physical lines is better. Yeah. So Ozzy looking for rally to sell as well. And this all sounds like I'm a total perma bear. You know, I'm not. It's just what we are seeing as to where we are and what it has done. Okay, euro is going past C2 as well. In euro, um, we've done the numbers that we were looking for. In euro now, don't look. If you sell in euro, it should be a scalp. Okay. Now you want to look to buy the dips in euro. So if it gives you a nice retrace, you want to buy the dip. You want to buy the dip, okay? In euro, you want to buy the dip because now it has unfinished business at the top, okay? This has sealed the job, okay? These areas have sealed the job. Yeah, just done what we were saying. Yeah, so you could buy it, look to buy. And same in USD CHF, you can see look doom 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 doom. So you're looking for pull back up to sell. Okay, pull back up to sell, pull back up to sell. And you know, if you buy in euro, you should be selling the USD CHF. Yeah. Somebody's comments. Dermot, what you said, the BTFD is not yet triggered. Yeah, not yet triggered. Yeah, not yet triggered. Yeah. When? Don't worry. Before it triggers, I'll be shouting from the rooftops. Huh? So nobody's going to miss. Nobody's going to miss that unless you choose to miss it. That's different. But I'll be shouting everyone to for that one. Now this is cable. So you're looking for a V shape here. Oh, this is not cable. This is cable. Cable. Look for a pop. Watch the euro as well, and then look to sell it a little bit. Okay. But sells as scalps, buys as by the dip. Okay. Euro JP, it's gone above C2, so you know until it fizzles out and it can't go anymore. For example, I'm just drawing roughly, say it goes here and it does this and it can't do that, then we get a V shape, put your stop. draw the line between, and then try and go down with it. Okay. So but first, let it finish its move. And remember the other thing I told everyone as well. Learn to count. Learn to count 7, 10, and 13, for example. Yeah. This number, how many candles is there? One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Around 6, 7, it will start to fizzle out if it is. And then you can sell. If it's still strong, on the between 10 and 13 will start to fizzle out, and then if it doesn't, then something else is going on. You let it finish this job, yeah. But if you count anywhere, like look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and look little dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, boom, down. See, sevens always give a reaction. Okay, 7, 10, 13. This is not technical analysis. This is just screen watching. Yeah, screen watching. GBP same as Euro JP. Yeah, let it rally up, but this is weaker than Euro JP like we seen. JP is above C2. Look for rally to sell. Yeah. What is Kiwi doing? Kiwi is doing here. What is our one? Okay. We are in a very the policeman area anyway. Yeah. And it's got a cup. Can you see a cup as well? A cup is around as well. So look at the distance and the move and the volatility, and if there's enough, you can cover your spread and that. You can look to take small sells in Kiwi. Yeah. Euro JP, Euro GBP, sideways move, little pop. Little pop means what? Deeper pullback. Yeah. Deeper pullback. Okay. So look for a sell in that one a little bit. Yeah. Everyone okay? I'm not going too fast or anything, am I? Looney is typical. Looney is just straight line down at the moment. Huh? Can you see? So you need to watch here because if that breaks is like fresh air down here. Until it gives a V shape, you can buy a little bit, but it is going to line up as a swing long soon. Yeah, it is overdone this madness for a bit now. Yeah. Okay. And you can see like look when it starts to move, then this is the character of the loony. When it starts to trend, it trends and trends and trends and trends. Yeah. So at the moment, I would suggest do nothing. Let's wait a little bit, and then we can get on it. Yeah. That is true. Especially Monday is better to watch a bit more than try to do a lot more. Yeah. Okay. So here we are. And also, I don't know. I have no idea any data today. Is there any data today? Any meaningful data or anything like that? Have a look at that and see. Yeah. Euro AUD, I don't know how many traded, but similar story, nothing to do here. Just wait until it comes to around, we know it's support zone around here. If it can't come to F1, then you can look to buy. But at the moment, stand aside. Stand aside. Sitting on the fence. AUD JP, same as Euro JP is going up, and GBP JP is going up. The JPs are strong. So wait until it fizzles out, and again look 1, 2, 3, 4 candle, yeah. So count the 7 business, yeah, for a sell, yeah. This one is like my God, it's like Morse code, dung dung dung. Euro NZD, nothing to do, nothing to do. And there's, can you see? There's hardly. Why I'm saying nothing to do is there's hardly any range. Around 20, 30 pip move. You're not going to do anything. It's not going. You're going to waste your energies for nothing. Yeah. GBP CHF. If it can't break F1, then you're looking to buy a bit. Yeah. Okay. AUD NZD. Okay. Same as Kiwi. MOB. Wait and see. Fizzles out, but there's not much movement at all. GBP NZD. Same as the other one. Comatose. Yeah. Comatose. Question? Somebody is asking a question. وعليكم السلام آدم. كيف حالك؟ Enjoying Agadir, Morocco, huh? Enjoy the food that you'll enjoy it. You'll enjoy it. Tagine and everything, yeah? Okay. AUD CAD. You can look to buy this one, yeah? You can look to buy this one. And you might have to hold it a little bit, but the bias will be up, okay? Um, AUD CHF, same as the other ones. Nothing to do here at the moment. Need to wait a little bit. Okay, we are above CAD we are above C2. So again, wait until it fizzles out, then you can look to sell, yeah? Otherwise, nothing to do. We know there's a policeman around here and there's a policeman around here. The big policeman is here, yeah? So you're looking in basically in this zone here to fizzle out, yeah? Policeman, big policeman. And we got a little policeman here, yeah? Okay, scooter guy, yeah. Okay, and can you see? We got a V shape as well. That would be a perfect V. This is like a minimal V, okay? Triangle. Yeah. Okay. And obviously, you guys can do the cog as well on the triangle, okay? Yeah. Um, okay, CAD, Same. Need to watch around C2 area for sell, yeah? Otherwise, nothing to do. GBP AUD. Okay. Still pointing down, so you need to watch this F2 area, yeah? And then and only then can you look to do anything. But there's nothing to do here at the moment, yeah? Nothing to do at the moment. We basically is we missed the move. So with GBP AUD, you look at AUD USD at the same time. When the AUD USD tops out, this will start to retrace back a bit, yeah? Like, well, Abjan, you said something, but the voice was very low. Okay. USD JP, what are we doing? Yep, JPs are strong, yeah? So wait until it fizzles out, and then you can look to do something. And we know the policeman is. Where is the policeman? There's the policeman. Yeah, policeman. So you need to watch that, and if it fizzles out and does that, then we can do something with it. At the moment, nothing to do. Just watching. Okay. Coco, even though no one trades. Wow. Okay. Look at it down. Okay. GBP card still pointing down into need for the V shape to happen. Otherwise, nothing doing. And it is very slow. It is struggling, 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 struggling. Yeah. CHF JP is nice and it's going up like a rocket. When it fizzles out, does the V shape, draw the line in the middle, and you go for it. Yeah, for a sell. What is VIX doing? Okay, I had done a VIX trade at around 17 something, and it closed itself off at 20 point something. Yeah, but that's by and by. But in the VIX, look. If it goes around 16, 17 area, then you can buy and hold it a bit. Otherwise, it's 20. If F2 don't break, then you can look for it to buy. But you, the volatility in that one is still not high, although it's a volatility index, and it marks it because we can see the volatility in the other things that we are looking at. All it's hardly there, yeah. So we can't do anything. Now look, while we are talking, the bugger is not even moving. Yeah, I mean it's not even moving. So Mexican, Stays below the MOB is a sell. Okay. Yeah. Again, this one is working game again. Same. Unless he comes to the C2, C1, C2 area, can't do anything yet. And ZDJP, okay, is coming to the C2. When it fizzles out, you can look to sell it, yeah? What's the dollar index doing? Okay, it's below F2. Next a V shape, it's a buy, yeah, small, yeah? And if the dollar index goes up, then you can look for the euro to retrace to give you your pullback to get into a long, okay? Local copper. Local copper is up. So until it fizzles out, nothing to do. What is Mr. White Gold doing? Platinum is above C2 as well. Wait until it fizzles out, then you can do something to sell on it. Soybeans trickling up. Crop report will be soon as well, yeah? And don't forget, in all these commodities and things like that, we are coming to the end of the month contract, yeah? And this one is quite important because end of the month August, and then 2 weeks later or so, that is when the quarter expiry happens in the September contract, where all the contracts expire, futures, options, equities, you name it under the sun. The quarterly gives much, much more volatility. Yeah. So you need to keep that in mind to place yourselves in liquidity going from one contract to the other in futures, especially. Yeah. And even if you don't trade futures, even if you trade cash, if the liquidities are going between one and the other, between cash and the other, at the moment you see, for example, the cash index is higher than the futures, that means it is called contagion, it's premium. Usually the future is more expensive than the cash index. Okay, so now it's the other way around. Sooner or later that will rebalance as well, yeah? So you need to keep that things in mind. Nat gas, same as oil, we said watch it, but it could give a good buy, yeah? Coffee, look at nice gap up here. Okay, and we are already in our swing sell from 19 to 50. We've been to quite nearly 20 $21. We are up. Those who played it a little bit can look to add back in. Yeah, Bitcoin is on a zoom. Yes, it's done the 49. I'm on sell just below from 49 48,000. I think 812 or something like that. I'm happy to hold it. Yeah, and take the pain. But if it comes around the C2 area, look to sell, okay? First, obviously, what's the action, what speed it is coming at, and then sell, yeah? Litecoin is at C2, same thing as that one. Ethereum, okay, 3385 area for a sell again. Ripple, what's Ripple doing? Wow, nice move on Ripple. XRP, 1.29, 133, okay. Same. Watch the Bitcoin. When Bitcoin turns, this one turns with it. Yeah. Swedish krona. No one trades, but we are down F1. Need to watch F2. Okay. So now I give you the numbers in the cash index. Yeah. This is the Dow US 30 cash. Daily levels. Yeah. You see, it's a 35241. Cash. Cash is at, we can say, 35241, and the future is at 35183. Yeah, so the cash is above that one by 63 points. Yeah, okay. This is called FV. FV means fair value, yeah? Mind you, in the market, nothing is fair, huh? They are crooks. Fair value. Okay? So many times, when we write, just, but say the future moves 100 points, yeah? Even the prices are different, the cash will also move 100 points, okay? So the number of points on a target will be the same, just the numbers you need to adjust using the 63, okay? So similar thing now on US 500. This is SPX, US 500, SP 500, or you call it SPX actually, that's what you should call the cash index, cash, daily levels, okay? So those are the numbers, yeah? There we are, okay? And no one is asking any questions, nothing today. Wow, guys, make some noise, make some noise. Indian rupee is coming down, okay? Amsterdam, okay, Amsterdam coming to 777, huh? 111 times 7. Not bad, very nice number. Okay, most guys don't trade Amsterdam, but it is good to look at, and obviously the Templars know the value of it, and it is the oldest stock market in the world, by the way, as well. Yeah, because most people think Wall Street and Fleet Street, UK, those came after. It was Amsterdam first. What is Haji Attila's Turkish lira doing? Oh, it's come down a bit. Okay, Hong Kong Shanghai Index. The C1 now similar as the S&P is trying to come up. Same thing again. Look for a sell. Yeah, pull back. Look for a sell. New Zealand CAD. Look for a small buy and hold. Yeah, small buy and hold. And remember, I said as well, when these guys are looking for a buy, these guys are looking for a sell. Yeah, so you must look at the reference point. If it comes up here, look at the reference point. Yeah, if it comes here, look at the reference point. If it comes here, look at the reference point. You must have a marker in mind. Yeah, because most guys say high, low, buy. No, don't just do that. See what is going on. Look at the context of the stuff, what is happening. Yeah, and I've told you about how to look at the health of the trend and trend health and everything like that. So put that all in action and then make your decision. Okay, then make your decision. Okay, Nikkei, what are we doing? Wow, Nikkei C2. Okay, look for a sell later. The gold currency USD is up, sleeping. South Africa is sleeping. Eurocard, need to watch this area, but it's slow. Yeah, nothing doing. What is Eric doing in Singapore? Wow, Singapore is down, huh? Straits. So need to watch. Okay, guys. So we've done all the levels. Any questions or anything? Anybody? I can't hear anything. I heard like I don't know.
How about a ducks, sir? Ducks?
Dax, we done already. Yeah, Dax, we do again.
Please repeat. Can you please repeat?
I
So,
no, no problem. This is Dax. This is Dax futures. Yeah, Dax futures. So you see, S&P and them are going up. Yeah, S&P and those ones. Yeah, relatively. Yeah, are going up. Nasdaq and whatever, and we're looking to sell. But you see, this one reached C2 and straight away dropped here about 100 points. Now it is just basing here. So you want it to ideally try and make like a cup of tea and draw the line in between, between the numbers. So if it comes up here and see what the action is, and then you can look to sell it, yeah. Or if it is strong, then you look for it to make it like a kind of double top, yeah, and then look to sell. But the upside is limited, okay? Upside is limited in S&P 500, the Dow, Nasdaq. So similarly, whether the DAX likes it or not, its upside as well will be limited. Okay, it can try and be a pig for a while, but it will still get slaughtered. Okay, because this is like the European session now that we are in, and the American market opens at 09:30 a.m. ET. Yeah, so now we can say we are at 10:30. So in 4 hours time, yeah, that is when the Wall Street opens, and that will give you better moves for DAX, okay, and everybody else, okay. But you are looking to sell the rallies. You're not looking to buy the dip, okay, because the upside we said is unsustainable, okay. Yes, okay.
Are they correlate with the DJI, the Dow?
Hey,
I, is it correlate with the DJI?
well, you should actually look at S&P 500, okay. S&P 500 is called Standard and Poor's, yeah, but there's nothing poor about it, okay? There's nothing poor about it because, but you look at S&P 500 because it is called as the professional index, meaning that it is made up of 500 best companies. So any one company, two companies, five companies, 20 companies, 100 companies cannot give it an erratic move. It is more stable. 1 point move in S&P 500 equals roughly 10-point move in the Dow and 10-point move in Nasdaq, and between 8 and 10-point move in the DAX, and a 10-point move in FTSE. Yeah. So yes, you can use that, but many times what happens is ultimately they have to follow Wall Street, because if Wall Street sneezes, the whole world catches a cold. Yeah, well, this is how the whole world catches a COVID. Yeah, okay. But yes, you can use that, but I would say instead of looking at the Dow, I would suggest you look at S&P. What S&P does is the king. The Dow and them are like servants. They have to do what this one does. Yeah, and with the Dow, for example, is made up of companies, say 30 or whatever. Out of that, there's about, I think, six or seven, which, which which even one or two can make a mad move, and it is not equal weighted capitalization. Yeah, so a little moves by some big companies in there, a few of them, one or two or three, they can make the Dow go crazy. Okay, make sense? So yes, you can use correlation, but don't use correlation blindly, because you can have positive, negative, or no correlation. Sometimes they all do same thing together. Yeah. Sometimes the other one does the other one. DAX, on the other hand, DAX has got this character that many times, like S&P will be going up and DAX is going down, or S&P is started to fall and the DAX is up here, and it will stay at a position like a pig for ages, and then all of a sudden it will lose 150, 250, 300 points in a blink of an eye. Yeah, that is the correct. That is the character of the DAX. Yeah. So what you do is the idea I would give you is, say, relating market with, say, like a mimicry or even music. Huh? So say you are a miming artist. Yeah, so you mime people and you can make people's voices. So you have the same voice box and everything, and you will make a sound of a man, woman, elephant, donkey, dogs, wolves, whatever. Yeah, but you are using the same voice box. Yeah, same box. Voice box has not changed. So when you're trading down, you have to get inside his brain like an actor, that you are the Dow. Yeah, understand now? Making sense or not?
Yes, yes, sir. Thank
Huh?
you.
So that way you become like an actor, that I know it. This is what it does. This is what it's talking. So you become the Tao, no? So you are at one with it. Your vibration is the same, huh? But like I said, a singer he will sing, different types of song, even a woman song or whatever. But his voice box is the same, yeah. He is not changed. His voice box is. It's just the brain to make it do that, yeah. So that is what you have to do, now. You have to learn to do that. And also, you see, look, it's I know it's not a subject for here. But can you see it's a big triangle as well? Can you see that? I know my rubbish drawing. Let's try again, Mr. Zulu. Okay, that's one triangle. If it does the second triangle, you have like that. Make sense?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. And see, you have this line here. You can draw like that, and you can draw a halfway mark in that line. Can you see? And where are we? We are on the halfway line. So at the moment, nothing to do. That's why I said look for it to rally to sell. Huh? Okay.
Thank you, sir.
No, no, but I'm no sir. I'm same as you. I'm same as you. I'm same as you. Okay, guys. Any question? Any final one? Then we've done like an hour today, and like I said, maybe today I did too fast, or maybe didn't explain properly, or else. So my apologies. Yeah, but my wife is obviously, as you all know, is in the operating theater. She'll be in there for 6 hours, and then unfortunately, the stupid Liverpool hospital. As soon as she went in the theater, they told me to do one, basically get lost. We don't want to see you in the hospital, no? Because no visiting, and even after the operation, I'm not allowed to go and see her. Yeah, so we see what happens later. Okay, guys. So shall we call it okay now? Unless anybody's got any question or anything, any issue.
All good.
All
All
good.
good.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'll say
Don't know
goodbye.
about the others.
I
Me
don't
all
know.
good.
They're all quiet. The quiet means
Yeah.
good. Quiet means good. Or quiet, quiet means good, or they're all going to sleep. They're all going to sleep. I put them to sleep. I put them to sleep. Okay, so that's about it, guys, and we see later. And please do leave a comment, honest one, on YouTube. Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay. So I'm going to one, two, three. Say bye bye to everybody. And bye everybody. Yeah. Okay. So one, two, three, going.